Hello guys, I'm Ryan. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. In this video I'm going to show you this FenSens. It's a smart wireless parking sensor controlled by your smartphone. It works for iOS and Android. Being a wireless sensor means that you don't need to run any wires on your car, drill any bumper. So basically you can install this in less than 5 minutes, download the app to your phone, and via Bluetooth you control the parking sensors. You get the information of the sensors. Let me show what's in the box. I must say this was very well packed. Mine is the European version. So this is the license plate holder. There's a user manual explaining how to install it, how to work with the app, and this is basically how you install it in your car. You just need to do a couple of screws and it's done. So this is the sensor itself. You have two sensors, one of each side. Come back to it in a minute. It comes with all needed screws, anti-theft screws, more bits and bobs, and the special key to do and undo the screws. You will need 4 AA batteries, which are also provided, and this is the button to trigger the app. This is the app you need, FenSens Wireless Sensor. Basically when you click that, it will launch the app. It also comes with a smartphone holder for your car, for your vents, magnet. This is pretty standard, and this is how you slide your number plate in the holder, like so, more or less. Not like so, but you get the idea. And then you just need to screw the sensors in place with 3 screws, and that's how you do it. But before that you need to install the batteries. Just need to unscrew 3 small screws, and there you go. Okay, let's install it in the car, see how it looks, and how does it work. Let's have a look. Hold on guys, I have the perfect car for this. This one has parking sensors, and I do have a car without parking sensors. Let me show it to you. My other bulletproof E46. So this is how the number plate holder looks when it's in place without the sensors, and this is with the sensors installed. You can also aim the sensors up or down depending on your car, of course. You just need to undo 2 small screws around the sensor, aim the sensor, and then tighten them back. I must say you definitely will notice the sensors, they are a bit bulky. This is because of the batteries, which it will last around 5 months according to the manufacturer. Okay, now let's put it to the test. How do they work? So basically you need to install the app, connect the sensors via Bluetooth, and whenever you need to park you just need to press the button. It will trigger this notification, and that's it. The ultrasonic parking sensors of course will do audio, but they also show you graphically the distance to the object. Let me lower the sound in the editing. There is a tiny delay, so my advice is when you reverse, please do it carefully. Of course this is common sense, and I'm sure you know that. You can use this for the front of the vehicle or the back of the vehicle. This sensor is also weatherproof. Now have a look at the graphics. A bit more. Yep, it does the job perfectly. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can have a look at the product and FenSens website so you can have a look at more details. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And once again, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.